Now I am here again. I have a technical problem. Sorry for the interruption. I am starting again. Students, can you hear me or can you see me, please? Can you see me? If you can, then you can say. Can you see me? Our today's lesson is connectors or linkers. Have you brought your exercise copy? Okay, students, can you hear me? Thank you, Rita Akhtar. You have done a lot because I have made a mistake here. Thank you very much. I think you all now listen to me. Which topic we are going to learn today? We are learn today about an important chapter, connectors or linkers. Which are the linkers? Linkers means linker is like a conjunction. And can you see the board clearly? I am making it zoom so that you can see them clearly. Okay, sentence connectors. Sentence connectors, why are they used? They are used to connect the words or sentences or clauses. Why are they used? They are used to join the clauses or generally connectors are used as conjunction. Which parts of speech it may use? You have to remember that connectors are generally conjunction. And which works does a connector do to join words, clauses and sentences together? Have you seen this? Yes. To join words, clauses and sentences together. Can you see? Number 2, to describe the relationship between two statements. Which a connector does? To describe the relationship between two statements. দুইটা স্টেটমেন্টকে describe করে, যে কোনো স্টেটমেন্টকে describe করতে we need connectors. Another, to connect the ideas. If you want to express any ideas, we have to use connectors. Another word, to adorn the sentences with ornaments. You know that in any language we must need ornamental words. It beautifies the language. Okay, let us describe. To join the words or clauses. To join the words or clauses. And I have written an example. I like both fish and vegetables. Here both and connectors. Number 2, to describe relationship. সম্পর্ক তৈরি করে. What is the meaning of relationship? সম্পর্ক. Look at this example. The boy, can you see the board? The boy who was begging from door to door was an orphan. Look at this. Here who? W-H-O. This word makes a relationship between this portion to that portion. So, to describe relationship, that means WH word or another connector is used to describe relationship. Look at this number 3. To connect the ideas. To connect the ideas. Suppose you want to make a cup of tea. How can you express the ideas? At first, you have to boil water, then you must pour tea dust. Clear? Here at first and then they are two connectors. So, to connect the ideas, if you want to express any ideas, then you can say, suppose you want to make a garden. What should you do or how can you say? Can you tell me? At first, I need a piece of land. Then, after that, and these we will use and they are called connectors or linkers. Okay, next word 4. To adorn sentences with ornaments. Ornaments ki? Alankar. We know the language ornaments means another word or any phrase, etc. Adorn means to beautify, সাজানো। তাহলে একটা বাক্যকে আমি যদি আরো সুন্দর করে সাজাতে চাই, we need extra words and we use these connectors. Look at the example. By the by, I got the mail. Here, by the by. Have you seen them? By the by, I got the mail. Nevertheless, we have defeated him. Nevertheless, we have defeated him. Look at this. By the by and nevertheless. These are ornamental words. Why? If you see that, without these two words, we can write this sentence. এই অংশটার সাথে কিন্তু এটার কোনো মিল নেই, by the by. And nevertheless also. So, these two words are used to adorn sentences. I think you have a clear idea which the words a connector does to join the words, describe relationship, connect the ideas and beautify the sentence. Okay, our next letter. Mainly sentence connectors can be divided into three categories. You have to remember, connectors generally are used for three categories. How many categories? Three categories. Connectors can be defined or identified as three categories. One is coordinating. Coordinating means one is coordinating, the other is subordinating, and the next one is correlative. Coordinating you have learned. Coordinating means একই জিনিসে সমজাতীয় জিনিস বা সমজাতীয় নাউন এগুলিকে যখন আমরা and, but, or ইত্যাদি দ্বারা যুক্ত করি এটা হলো coordinating. Clear? And subordinating, and when you learned about simple complex, in complex sentences we use subordinate clause, and তোমরা লক্ষ্য করেছো subordinate clause গুলি শুরু হয় although, if, unless, since, etc. So ওই যে unless, although, these are called subordinating connectors. Clear? And the next one, correlative. Correlative means parashporik. Correlative means parashporik. Parashporik kunta? Can you imagine? Both and, as, etc. Let us try to see the examples, then it will be clear to you. Coordinating for and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Clear? These are called coordinating. সমন্বয় করে যেটা দুটো নাউন বা সমজাতীয়. Subordinating, all these are used for subordinate clause before subordinate clauses. Correlative, look at this, পারস্পরিক সম্পর্ক রয়েছে, both এর সঙ্গে and, not only এর সঙ্গে but also, either এর সঙ্গে or, neither, nor. I think now you have got a clear idea of connectors, three categories of connectors. Now we can elaborate them. Here is a word, coordinating conjunctions. Look, here is a word, fanboys, F-A-N-B-O-Y-S. Coordinating conjunctions are used to link two clauses or phrase of equal values and status. You have to remember that, equal. সমশ্রেণী, সমজাতীয় শ্রেণী, মানুষ হলে মানুষের সঙ্গে মানুষ, বইয়ের সঙ্গে বই, মাছের সঙ্গে মাছ, এই যে এগুলো অর্থাৎ সমজাতীয়, এগুলো করতে আমরা কোঅর্ডিনেটিং কনজাংশনগুলি ইউজ করি। এগুলোকে একসঙ্গে বলা হয় ফ্যান বয়েস। এফ দিয়ে ফর, এ দিয়ে অ্যান্ড, এন দিয়ে নর, বি দিয়ে বাট, ও দিয়ে অর, ওয়াই দিয়ে ইয়েট, অ্যান্ড এস দিয়ে সো। আই থিঙ্ক fanboys, you can write the example by using all these linkers or connectors, and you have to remember that when you will use them, it will be used as conjunction, not preposition. Clear, students? Next come subordinate conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions are used in complex sentences. আমি তোমাদের আগেই বলেছি complex sentence এ দুটো clause থাকে. One is principal and another is subordinate clauses. And in subordinate clauses, subordinating conjunctions are used. If you see the example, you will be clear. If, when, unless, though, since, etc. Clear, students? Now will you make an example by using if? If you write, then send it to me through message by using if. If you send a message, I will be happy. Okay? If it rains, we will not go out. Very good. And now when? Will you write by using when? If you write, then you can say, send it to me. Please, students, send it to me as a message so that I can read your message by using when. When we are eating, a beggar rings the bell. Okay, that means all you will use as subordinate clauses. Then unless means jodi na. Can you remember the meaning of unless? Unless means jodi na. Tale unless you study properly, unless you study properly, you will not be able to cut a good figure in the exam. Now students, can you write an example by using though? If you are able, then write it down. I want to see them. What you will write by using though, because we have discussed about complex sentence. Though, can you say, though he is rich, he cannot spend much money. Okay, by using since. Dear students, can you say by using since? If you use, then you can write them. Can you write the example of since? Since the thief saw the police, he ran away. I think all you will be able, because subordinating conjunction, it may be difficult by the names, but if you think about complex sentence, you will be able to see that you have already learned them. Next, the word correlative conjunction. Correlative means পারস্পরিক. আমি তোমাদের বাংলাটাই বলছি, পারস্পরিক সম্পর্ক রয়েছে যেটার মধ্যে, যেমন both and, not only but also, as, either or, neither nor. These are called correlative conjunctions. Can you make a sentence by using not only but also? If you can, then you can write it to me. Please, I have given you 20 seconds. Within 20 seconds, you will write a sentence by using not only but also. Hurry up. Okay, students, have you written by using not only but also? I have seen that many students are trying. Okay, keep going. Okay, very good. Another student has written, very good. I think many of you will be able to write, because when you have learned from assertive to negative, you have learned this rule, isn't it? If there is both and, we have to turn it into not only but also. Can you remember them? Yes, many of you has written the example. Now Can you write the students by using as dot dot as? As dot dot as means what? As dot dot as dot dot as, think about positive degree, then you will be able to write an example. Think about a positive degree. My brother is not as tall as me. Have you written this? Okay, as you have used it in positive degree, and I think you are trying to write correlative conjunction, that means পারস্পরিক সম্পর্কযুক্ত যে conjunction, they are called correlative. Now students, Shima is not as tall as Rima. Very good. Another students, you are trying Chua Borua, you also have written this. Okay students, you are trying to read. Now either or, neither nor. Either Karim or Rohim will go there. Can we remember them? Very good. Either Karim or Rohim will go there. So students, look at this again. Coordinating conjunction, কোঅর্ডিনেটিং সমজাতীয় ব্যক্তি বস্তুকে জয়েন করে বা বাদ দেয়, অর মানিত হলো অ্যান্ড হলো জয়েন, অর অথবা, সো ইট ইজ নট জয়েন। তাহলে ফ্যান বয়েজ, দিজ আর কল কোঅর্ডিনেটিং কনজাংশন। সাবঅর্ডিনেটিং কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্স মনে রাখবে, অ্যান্ড কোরিলেটিভ, I think all you have learned this. Now students, let us try to see our next. Subordinating conjunctions are adding information. কোনো কিছু তথ্য যোগ করতে আমরা এইগুলি ইউজ করি, এগুলি কিন্তু সাবঅর্ডিনেটিং। Look at this, subordinators. So adding information, add means যোগ করা, clear? Add, কোনো কিছু তথ্য যোগ করতে we can write this, in addition. Clear students? As well as when we use this as well as, can you say as well as? Very good. And একজন লিখেছো and এর পরিবর্তে, very good. Okay, also, yes, to, yes, we know that we also use add. Furthermore, moreover, apart from means ব্যতীত, clear? Apart from, without, যেটা আমরা বলি ব্যতীত। Beside means not পাশে, besides মানেও হলো without. So you have to learn this meaning of the words. So these are used to add information. And now our next subordinators, place and manner. Place and manner, wherever, how, where. কোনো প্লেস বা ম্যানার যোগ করতে আমরা এই ওয়ার্ডগুলি, কানেক্টরসগুলি ব্যবহার করে থাকি। কি কি? wherever, how, where. And time বুঝাতে after, when, until, whenever, before. Okay students, all these are subordinators. Okay, look at this. These are correlative conjunctions, and you have already learned this, either or, neither nor, not only but also, hardly when. Can you remember it? Hardly when? I think you can. If, then, no sooner than, scarcely, when, not, but, rather than. Very good. Now let us try to see some examples, and I think this will be very effective to understand. Karon we know that definition, we don't like definition, but we want to see demonstration. Amra definition পছন্দ করি না, কিন্তু আমরা যদি কেউ এক্সাম্পল দেয় সেটা আমাদের কাছে খুবই ভালো লাগে, তাই না? Very good. So let us try to see some examples. I am hungry. The fridge is empty. which connectors will be used here? Can you say? Write it down, students, and send it to me through message. I am hungry and I am ready by taking a fork and a knife, but the fridge is empty. I have said this. What connectors or which connectors we will use here? But. Can you say? Very good. তাহলে I am hungry but the fridge is empty. Here but acts as a linker or connector. Next, I have given here some pictures. Look at this. Subordinating connectors. You will use here subordinating connectors. The first cannot be clear. Okay. Can you see the students? Subordinating, I think the picture is not clearly be seen. I am trying to make it zoom so that all you can understand them. And I am going to read. The sentence is A dash we take proper step against coronavirus. It will be prevented. Can you see them? The board is not quite clear, but I am saying, students, I am telling and you will be able to match with me. We take proper steps against coronavirus. It will be prevented. I think you can understand what is the first sentence and try to read it again. Question number 2. Coordinating connectors. Respect others dash will respect you. Respect others dash will respect you. Can you say which connectors will be? Respect others dash other will respect you. Can you say what will be the correct answer? And number 3, you will use here coordinating. Correlative. Number 3, correlative. Dash the president dash the PM were there. Okay. Look at the first one. We take proper steps against coronavirus. It will be prevented. Number 2, respect others dash others will respect you. Number 3, dash the president dash the PM. PM means Prime Minister. Where? There. I think now students use the connectors. Which connectors will be used here? Can you write this, students? Let us try to see which connectors will be used at first. If the first connectors, if we take proper steps against coronavirus, if we take proper steps against coronavirus, it will be prevented. Okay, now number 2, respect others and others will respect you. Number 3, I think you can understand all this. Sorry. Number 3, both the president and the prime minister were there. Both and. Okay, students, I think you have understood this. Now let us try to use such as. Such as is also another. Such as. Look at this. I have written here in front of this and I have showed here so many fruits. I have kept here so many fruits and the sentence is there are some fruits. There are some fruits and banana, apples, palm, pear, strawberry, lemon. We have to use here such as. Without except such as, you can use for example. Such as and for example are same. Okay, students, now we will use here WHO. Who? There was a woman who was very helpful and kind to the poor. Here WHO, who is a connector and it is subordinating connectors. Who means here J. Clear? Okay, which? Have you seen this? There is a fox. There was a fox dash had no tail. There was a fox dash had no tail. Then which connectors will be used here? Can you tell me which? Okay, students. Some connectors come in the middle of the sentence and we know this. Rana could not go to school because he was admitted into hospital. Here because is a connector. Rana could not go to school because he was admitted into a hospital. Okay, now here is another example. Pandas are very cute. They are not suitable pets. Pets মানে পোষা প্রাণী. তাহলে এখানে we must use here although pandas are very cute, they are not suitable pets. Clear students? Although যদিও পান্ডা কি very cute to look at, are they suitable? No. I could not attend the meeting dash I was ill. What you will write here? Because. The last one, this is the dog that dash bite her yesterday. This is the dog that bite her yesterday. Which? We will use here which. This is the dog which bite her yesterday. Okay. Look at this sentence. Can you see them clearly? I am making it zoom so that you can see them clearly. Which things? Look at this. Here is a very speedy animal. Dash speedy animal. Dash tortoise moves very slowly. Can you say which things will be used here? On the other hand. Look at this. On the other hand. On the other hand means পক্ষান্তরে. We can say Bangla. On the other hand means পক্ষান্তরে. পক্ষান্তরে মানে কি অন্যদিকে, তাই না? আমরা যেটা বলি যে এটা করলে এরকম হবে, অন্যদিকে এটা হবে, তাহলে পক্ষান্তরে হলো on the other hand. Okay, next word, let us try to see. A student who neglects his daily lessons is sure to fail. A student who neglects his lesson is sure to fail. Are you neglecting your studies? If you neglect, then you will fail also. He is neither a doctor nor a teacher. He is neither a doctor nor a teacher. Now I have given you some individual word. Look at the following picture and make sentences from the picture using connectors. Here are 3 pictures. Wash your hands. Use a tissue for coughs. Avoid touching your face. Now make sentence. Students, make sentences by using connectors. I think I have given you 1 minute. You should try. You should write down the answer. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, students. I have given you, you will write at least 2 sentences, but in these 2 sentences you must use these 3 clauses. তুমি 2টা সেন্টেন্সেও 3টা ক্লজ ব্যবহার করতে পারো বাবা। এখন আমাকে করে দেখাও। শাফিয়া আক্তার, রোল 5, 9C, শিফা আক্তার। Okay, write the answer. Aisha Asha, write the answer. On the contrary, you have written. Aisha Asha, hurry up. Saima Rahman. Okay. Shafia Islam, Meghla, very good. I think you also submitted your homework regularly. Few students always submit their homeworks, classworks regularly, and I appreciate all of you students. Now, can you write? Have you written this? If you write, then you can send it to me. You will be safe if you wash your hands. Maria Roja, very good. You have used here if. Another, use a tissue for cough. Unless, you can use here unless. Can you write them by using unless? If you write, then send it to me. I am reading your name and also where is. Where is, you have to write down the whole sentence. Okay, write them. Wash your hands, otherwise you will be sick. Very good. Anamika Chakraborty, very good. Wash your hands, otherwise you will be sick. Very good. I am appreciating you. You have written a good sentence. Anyone? Hurry up. 1 minute is over. Only 10 seconds are left. Only 10 seconds are left. You are trying. I have seen that. You will be protected if you wash your hands. Aisha Asha, very good. Thank you very much. You have tried. Let us try to see. Wash your hands and use a tissue. Yes. Avoid touching your face, otherwise you will be infected by corona. Because in this time, these 3 pictures I think may be a warning for you. Okay, students, now it is your work. It is your work. Will you be able to write the answer within 1 minute? Will you be able to write? Okay, I am giving you 1 minute and I am reading so that all you can understand. There lived a poor dash honest farmer in a village. He lived a very simple life with his wife dash children. See, he was honest. He worked hard on his farm from dawn to dusk. One day dash he was walking to his field. Suddenly he saw a purse of gold on the road. He carried it at home dash he could show it to his wife and children. Hurry up, within 1 minute you should complete and send the answer through message. Within 1 minute you have to complete. There lived a poor dash honest farmer. Hurry up. You can use A, B, C, D and E, because in the question paper you will see like them. Okay, students, you are trying. I have seen that you are writing. Some of you are busy in writing. Unless you use a tissue. Yes, we have already passed. A number. Yes, many of you written here. And but Barshana Shaha but Sufia Islam and Safia Islam Megla but Samia Tahsin Rafa and. Okay, let us try to see what is the answer of A. But and কখন হয় বাবা? and হলো একই জিনিস, একই রকম বুঝাতে, কিন্তু বিপরীত, এটা অনেকটা বিপরীত ভাব প্রকাশ করছে না, অপোজিট। দেয়ার লিভড এ পোর, পোর and হবে না, পোর বাট অনেস্ট, দরিদ্র কিন্তু অনেস্ট। আমরা জানি দরিদ্র হলে সাধারণত ডিসঅনেস্ট, এরকম একটু চিন্তা করি। সো পোর বাট অনেস্ট, আমরা বাট। ওকে, যারা বাট লিখেছো কংগ্রাচুলেশনস। নাও লেট আস দ্য টার্ন অফ বি। What you have written, let us try to see what is the answer of B. And very good, many of you have written. Rita Akhtar B, Samia Rafa B, and very good, many of you have written and. Okay, let us try to see. Look at this. C is the starting of a sentence, so এখানে বড় হাতের হবে, capital letter. Clear? I think you have understood. As he was honest, he worked hard on his farm from dawn to dusk. Shokal Shonda. One day dash he was walking. I think many of you will be able to write. Yes, you are trying to write down. Very good. D number when, আরেকটু চিন্তা করো, যখন while. সামিয়া আক্তার, very good, while চলমান হলে আমরা when না দিয়ে while দিব। ওকে, So very good, Rita Akhtar. You are trying so that Arifur Rahman. Why do you use D number? What will be the answer? While. Okay, very good. And next answer, so that. Where he carried it at home so that he could show it to his wife. Very good. And you have got the full marks if you write the whole answer. Group work, it will be and we will be, I think we will do it in our next class. You know that in the grammar we will discuss it in our next class. What will your work? You will write down. Look, it is your assignment or homework, because we will discuss connectors in our next class also. You know that I have discussed a grammar topic for 2 classes. So it is 1 class, and in another class, dear students, I have given it as a screenshot so that you can get the copy from the online class. Okay students, it will be our homework or assignment. What should you do? Join the sentence groups using suitable connectors. Look at this, there are 2 parts of sentence. He failed the exam, he had not studied. And what is your duty? You will make a sentence. একটা sentence তৈরি করবে, দুইটা দিয়ে কি ব্যবহার করবে? Connectors. Now have you understood, students? It is your work. You will all write down 10 sentences and you will use connectors, and there will be no comma. You must use the connectors. And if you use connectors, then he, here he will be small letter. মনে থাকে যেন একটা, you must write as a one sentence and you must use connectors, and you will get it in the online class as a screenshot. Okay students, because you need time to write all the sentences. If you I have given you time, then you will not be able to take the other classes. Okay students, we have completed our lesson. I think you have a little idea about connectors. You have to remember we used connectors. আমরা কিন্তু অনেক আগে থেকে connectors ব্যবহার করি, but we don't mention it as connectors. তোমরা যখন প্যারাগ্রাফ পড়ো, অন্য কিছু পড়ো, তাই না, কানেক্টরস কিন্তু আমরা আগে থেকে ইউজ করি, বাট এখন আমাদের এটাকে অর্থ জেনে আর একটু ভালো করে পড়তে হবে। তাহলে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, ইউ হ্যাভ টু ডু দ্য অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট অ্যান্ড ইউ উইল সাবমিট ইট টু দ্য অনলাইন ক্লাস কমেন্ট বক্স। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। And if you don't understand the class, you will repeat again, you will see it again, and you will read the topic from your book. Then I hope all you will be able to understand, and it is easy to get 5 out of 5 if you understand connectors clearly. Thank you very much, dear students. Stay home and be safe and try to follow the health rules. Bye.